You've been lied to. Those shiny bottles at the auto store promising extra horsepower and better mileage, most of them are pure snake oil. But a few, just a few, are chemical marvels that can make your engine smoother, stronger, and last years longer. In this video, we're counting down 13 additives that actually work and exposing 5 that can murder your engine from the inside out. Stay till the end, because our bonus pick could save you thousands on repairs you didn't even know were coming. Number 13, Techron Concentrate Plus, the carbon assassin. Let's start with one of the few fuel additives that actually earns its hype, Techron Concentrate Plus by Chevron. This isn't magic in a bottle, it's chemistry that works. Inside that little container is polyethyramine, PEA, a compound proven in lab tests to melt carbon deposits off your injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. For older engines or cars running cheap gasoline, Techron can feel like a tune-up in liquid form. Drivers report smoother idling, cleaner acceleration, and even 2 extra miles per gallon. But here's the secret. Techron only shows its full potential in engines that are already struggling. So if your car is new, skip it. But if it's coughing black smoke, Techron is your fix in a bottle. Number 12, a TS chemical, 505 CRF. When a world-famous mechanic like Scotty Kilmer puts his name behind a product, it's worth paying attention. AT-505 CRF is another PEA-powered cleaner, but it's far more versatile. Unlike Techron, this beast works on both gasoline and diesel engines. It attacks 4 different carbon types, the hard black stuff that kills performance and cleans valves, injectors, and even piston crowns. High-mileage engines love it. After a few tanks, users report quieter valves, smoother acceleration, and up to 13% better fuel economy. But be warned, it's not cheap. You're paying for precision chemistry, not gimmicks. And if your car drinks cheap fuel year after year, this additive is like rehab for your engine. Number 11, Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Let's talk oil additives. Most of them are junk, but Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer is the exception. It's thick, sticky, and designed for engines that have seen better days. Imagine it as a liquid bandage filling in worn-out bearing gaps and sealing loose clearances. For old trucks, tractors, or engines burning oil like crazy, Lucas brings oil pressure back from the dead. But use it wrong, especially in a new turbo engine, and you'll choke your system. The rule, old engines only. Treat it like a last defense before an overhaul, and it'll buy your motor another year or 2 of life. Number 10, Liqui Moly MOS2, the friction killer. Friction robs your engine of up to 1/3 of its energy. That's why this German-engineered additive, Liqui Moly MOS2, is legendary. MOS2 forms a microscopic coating of molybdenum disulfide. Think of it as armor plating for your metal surfaces. It slashes friction up to 50%, lowers heat, and quiets noisy lifters. Taxi fleets in Germany have used it for decades, and even aerospace engineers swear by it. The catch? Don't use it on brand new engines. Those need friction to seat piston rings. But if your car's seen a few winters, this additive will make it purr like new. Number 9, Hot Shot's secret everyday, diesel treatment. When ultra-low sulfur diesel hit the market, it quietly removed the very lubricants your injectors depended on. The result? Expensive failures. Hot Shot's EDT fixes that. It boosts lubricity, cleans injectors, raises cetane levels, and prevents diesel gelling. The wear scar test tells the story. Untreated diesel produces a 520 micron scar. EDT slashes that to 159 microns. That means dramatically less wear and thousands saved on injector replacements. It even makes diesels run quieter and start easier. It's not just an additive, it's diesel life insurance. Number 8, Seafoam Motor Treatment, the all-in-one revival. Seafoam is a 1940s legend that still earns its spot today. Add it to your fuel or oil, and it dissolves sludge, varnish, and carbon like acid on rust. The beauty of Seafoam? It's idiot-proof. One product works on gas, diesel, lawnmowers, boats, you name it. But it's not the strongest cleaner out there since it lacks PEA. So think of Seafoam as a maintenance product, not a miracle. Perfect for keeping a healthy engine clean and extending its lifespan. Number 7. Marvel Mystery Oil, the original miracle. 100 years old and still turning skeptics into believers. Marvel Mystery Oil works like a detox for tired engines. It dissolves gunk, lubricates moving parts, and revives stuck EGR valves. Old school mechanics swear by it because it works quietly. Less smoke, smoother, idle, cleaner fuel lines. Perfect for classic cars or anything that's survived the 90s. Think of it as a time machine for your engine. Number 6. Hot Shot's Secret Diesel. Winter anti-gel. If you live in freezing regions, diesel turns to jelly at 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Your car won't start, and repairs can hit $2,000. That's why Hot Shot's Winter Anti-Gel is a must. It drops the freezing point down to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit while boosting cetane and fuel economy. It's the difference between starting your truck in the morning or calling for a tow. Preventive protection that's worth every cent. Number 5. BG MOA Motor Oil Additive, the silent protector. Ever heard of stuck piston rings? They can cost you $3,000, and BG MOA prevents that. It neutralizes acids in old oil, stabilizes viscosity, and scrubs carbon off rings and lifters. The result? Longer oil life, less sludge, and an engine that feels younger every drive. It's like vitamins for your oil. Invisible protection that pays off over time. Number 4. Lucas TB Zinc Plus, classic car savior. Classic engines are a different breed. They need zinc dialkyl dithiaphosphate, or ZDDP, to protect their flat tappet camshafts. Modern oils don't have enough of it, but Lucas TB Zinc Plus does, up to 5,000 parts per million of zinc. That's over 6 times the normal level. Use it during break-in or in old cars built before 1994. Just don't use it in modern catalytic converter systems. It'll kill them. This is the additive that keeps muscle cars roaring instead of limping. Number 3. CRCGDI intake valve and turbo cleaner. Modern GDI engines are efficiency monsters until carbon buildup chokes them out. CRCGDI cleaner sprays directly into the intake to melt away those carbon crusts that cause rough idles and sluggish acceleration. Mechanics use it to replace $800 intake cleanings for just $17. It's a must-have if you own a direct injection engine. Just follow the instructions precisely. One mistake can ruin the result. Number 2. Gumout Fuel Injector. Cleaners, the everyday hero. You don't need to spend big for results. Gumout's fuel injector cleaner contains PEA, the same magic ingredient as Techron, and costs just $5. It keeps injectors clear, boosts fuel economy, and works safely on modern engines. Perfect for preventive maintenance. A small investment that saves you from a clogged fuel system and a fat repair bill. Number 1. AT-205 Reseal. The leak terminator. Oil leak on your driveway? Don't panic yet. AT-205 Reseal is a polymer restorer that revives hardened rubber seals. It stops leaks in oil, transmission, steering, and differential systems without opening the engine. It's the only additive professionals trust to actually fix something, not just mask it. Spray it on rubber parts like suspension bushings, and it'll extend their life too. Every garage should have a bottle of this. The 5 additives that can kill your engine. Number 5. Off-the-shelf octane boosters. Most promise plus 10 points, but that's only one actual octane number. Totally useless. The cheap ones leave orange deposits that destroy sensors. Number 4. Teflon-based oil additives, Slick 50. NASA confirmed PTFE clogs filters and blocks oil flow. In 1997, the FTC fined Slick 50 for false claims. Stay away. Number 3. Engine rebuilders with metal particles. Any additive claiming to rebuild worn metal with copper or lead is lying. They just thicken oil, masking issues while causing worse damage later. Number 2. Ford Diesel Anti-Gel. It technically works, just poorly. In independent tests, it ranked 10th out of 11 brands. You can do far better. Number 1. Additives containing tetraethyl, lead, the deadliest of all. It boosts octane but poisons engines, kills catalytic converters, and destroys human health. It's banned for a reason. Never touch it. Bonus tip. The invisible additive you're already ignoring. Here's something no one tells you. The best additive isn't in a bottle. It's clean, high-quality synthetic oil. Modern full synthetics already contain the best friction modifiers, detergents, and anti-foaming agents money can buy. Changing oil on time protects your car more than 90% of additives ever will. So if you want the ultimate performance hack, pair a good synthetic oil with one verified additive from this list. That's how engines hit 300,000 miles and beyond. So there you have it, 13 additives that actually protect your engine and 5 that can destroy it. Before you pour anything into your car, remember this rule. If it sounds too good to be true, it's probably toxic to your engine.